Let's start by defining an asynchronous function called getServerSideProps. This function is special in Next.js because it lets you run server-side code before rendering a page. Within this function, you can access environment variables using the global process env object. These variables are set in your environment and are a secure way to store sensitive information. Here, we're retrieving the value of an environment variable named my_secret and storing it in a constant called mySecret. It's important to note that only variables prefixed with next_public_ will be exposed to the browser-side JavaScript. Regular environment variables, like the one we're using here, are only available server-side. The value that we've just retrieved can now be passed down to our React component as a prop, ensuring that the sensitive information is handled securely by keeping it on the server. To do this, we return an object with a props property from getServerSideProps. The props property itself is an object where mySecret is a key and the variable we retrieved is its value. Now, when the page is rendered, mySecret will be available as a prop, allowing the component to utilize this secret information on the server side without exposing it to the client.